Okay guys, it's 7:23 a.m. Wednesday, September 3rd, and this is White Pass right here, and the AQI on the weather app is saying it is 195, which is definitely the upper limits of where I would go hiking into the woods, just because exerting yourself plus up at elevation just isn't fun with the AQI being 195. It's saying it's 96 in Packwood, and so I would hike in 96, and at about 120 is when I start considering plans and options to get out. And I also carry a N95 mask in case I'm stuck out here in weather. But oftentimes it's not the fire that you're worried about, it is the AQI. So always take a look at your AQI index as you're going through, and there's some pretty important apps now that can tell you that. Anyway, cheers, safe travels, and sorry about the wildfire season. See ya.